Hello everyone, welcome to IP Home. I'm Lin Feng. Today, let's talk about Huawei's latest release, the foldable HUAWEI Pura X. The term foldable mainly refers to its 16:10 internal screen. This screen ratio is unique in today's smartphones. It can be said to be one of a kind. However, if you expand the scope to include more device categories, such as tablets and laptops, you'll find that this is a very common screen ratio. This brings its first major advantage, content adaptation. When browsing web content and document content, it is in landscape mode. The keyboard is like a smaller version of a laptop screen, so you can get a web and document browsing ratio similar to that of a desktop. Although the vast majority of websites now offer mobile versions, it is well known that some websites do not have mobile versions, and some mobile versions often lack full functionality. In terms of document content, the adaptation is always in the 3.2:4 paper ratio. Therefore, the experience of these two types of content on this form factor screen is unmatched among products with a 6.3-inch screen. In addition, browsing image and text-based information like Xiaohongshu in landscape mode on the HUAWEI Pura X also provides a quite good experience. Images on one side, text on the other. In terms of reading, the aspect ratio close to that of a book makes it more suitable for reading. Combined with HarmonyOS 5's AI eye-tracking page-turning feature, the reading experience is indeed elevated compared to ordinary phones, giving the feeling of reading a book rather than an e-book. When watching videos, there are several different scenarios, with long videos and movies being the most prominent. This type of content is generally played in full-screen landscape mode. Considering that the mainstream video format is still 16:9, in this case, Huawei's 16:10 screen ratio can indeed provide a larger effective display area. The black borders are also relatively narrow. When swiping through short videos in portrait mode, the content ratio is quite varied, including 16.9 videos in landscape, 16.9 videos in portrait, and 4.3 videos in portrait, among others. However, compared to phones with conventional ratios, the Huawei P2X can still achieve a larger video playback area. It can be said that in terms of video watching, because it is closer to mainstream video ratios, this kind of expandable and foldable screen ratio can indeed provide a better experience. Next, let's talk about gaming. For games like PC Elite or Kokori, the Huawei Pox can offer a larger gaming field of view. While the left and right views are the same as on a regular phone, the top and bottom views are significantly larger. This not only enhances the gaming experience, but also allows players to spot enemies earlier, thereby improving the overall gaming experience. In terms of imaging, it's similar to viewing photos and videos. Since the default photo size for mobile phones is 4.3, and videos are 16.9, using the Huawei Pox for shooting also provides a larger preview image. Combined with its red maple primary color imaging, the sense of immersion during shooting is significantly enhanced. Overall, when you hold this proportionally quick folding device in your hand, it feels quite novel, and you constantly want to try out the changes in form and the experience it brings to daily use, compared to the enhanced user experience in the above scenarios. What surprises me more about the Huawei Pox is the new ideas and attempts it brings. It is precisely by mastering the HarmonyOS ecosystem and the continuous improvement of the HarmonyOS 5, along with the confidence in hardware innovation, that we have the opportunity to see a unique product like the HUAWEI Pura X. Well, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, feel free to like and support us. See you in the next episode.